Are you guys tired of searching for such endless ways to grow viral super fast on YouTube? Well, today I'm going to show you guys a Google Slides presentation that covers all the tips of growing viral super fast on YouTube. So without further ado, let's get right to it. So here we are on my Google Slides presentation showing you guys the tips to go growing viral super fast on YouTube. So this right here is called YouTube Fame Fast, your DIY guide to viral growth. Master subscribers, views, and likes for quick monetization. So are you guys ready? Let's get started! Okay, guys, so I'm gonna be reading Optimized for Discovery. Get seen! So be prepared, and this is about to get shocking. Number one, master powerful YouTube SEO techniques to truly boost your video's organic reach. Number two, optimizing metadata effectively helps your valuable content appear higher in search results. Number three, design compelling, high quality thumbnails that genuinely attract viewers to your videos. Number four, strong visuals are essential for standing out, boosting click-through rates significantly. Number five, craft keyword-rich, compelling titles that clearly describe your video's core content. Number six, effective titles boost search visibility, attracting the right audience to your channel. Number seven, leverage trending topics and current popular searches for vastly increased visibility. Number eight, timely content creation effectively captures audience interest, driving significant organic growth. If you think I'm reading too fast, please see slide number two, as this covers all the tips that I've just said. Now here, let's go on to unlocking value revenue insights. So the total revenue is going to be like $1.2 million. Ad revenue is $750,000. Number three is just the Discord overlay here. Subscription revenue is gonna be $450,000 and paying users is gonna be $15,000. So did you guys see my Google Class presentation? Well, let's get to the outro. If you guys had enjoyed my Google Slides presentation, then please make sure to drop a like and a sub on this video. This really means a lot to me, including the world. Goodbye and peace!